Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. One of Nompumelelelo's followers asked her, does she think she'll ever find herself in a polygamous relationship before? And I found her answer quite interesting. Hey, ngoba abanye benu, niyasithanda isithembu, regardless of the pain that comes with this. That comes with it rather. Watch this video guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary. So basically her response is ngeke ngithi cha. Ikusasa ngeke ulazi, but if bobuya ngami bengeke kwenzeke. And I'm just asking myself, guys, is there such a thing of ubizele isithembini, guys? Because she's saying ngeke ulazi kusasa kanjani when it's is it not your decision? I don't know, you guys. For me, it's just like if I will never find myself in a polygamous relationship, especially willingly. I will never. So ukel meya sithi ngeke kusasa, angazi ukuthi usho ukuthini. Or maybe she knows her heart ukuthi vele she's a person that loves love, and if it comes along and it's in that type of setup, she will accept it. But I'm just like, girl, have you not seen enough flames with Lindu Abantu? Did you not see enough flames for you to put yourself in that type of situation again and saying, ngiyabonga. But I guess there's other people, they jump out from one temple relationship to another temple relationship, if you get what I'm saying. I guess there's some people that don't mind isithembu, guys, and some people just feel like, yeah, yes, fanele vele wonke amadoda cheat. That's what they say, and it's better to be in a relationship where a person is open about it, unlike being in a relationship where you think you're the only one, kanti you're not the only one. I don't know, you guys. Is there such thing ukuthi there's a calling? Uthi lento yesithembu iyakulandela? Is there such a thing, you guys, or okanye it's all your decision? Because I'm just like, girl, clearly nje you are not hurt enough for you to say that kusasa ngeke ulazi. Anyway guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.